Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to log into Royal Match with Facebook account. To log into Royal Match using Facebook, first of all, open up the Royal Match game on your device and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on Save Your Progress. Now from the sign in options, choose Sign in with Facebook. Click on the Continue button to end up in facebook.com login site. If prompted, enter your Facebook account's login credentials and tap on Continue. Soon after you do that, your game will refresh and you have now successfully signed in to your game with Facebook. Tap on Continue and get back to your game. And there you have successfully logged in to Royal Match with your Facebook account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.